And today we are talking about Parighasana. Parighasana is also known as a gate pose or iron bar or iron beam pose. Friends, it's a beginner level standing pose. It's great for respiration, and very few asanas are focused on the lateral side of your body. So this is a pose that focuses on the lateral side, your intercostal muscles, and it is great for respiration. But before we get into the pose, if we have any knee injury, please do it under a medical supervision. Let's get into the pose. So friends, take the kneeling position. So I told myself once again, the Tadasana rule applies here also. So once again I told myself, my pelvis is not posterior, not anterior, it's neutral. My rib cage is not popping out. It's in line with my pelvis. At the same time, my chin is parallel. So from here, I told myself, keep the hands on the head. Now I take my right leg, put it out. Now friends, don't keep your leg in this position, because if you try to stretch, it starts giving you intense pain. So what we need is take the legs out. Keep the body in front. So I adjust myself, take the body in front. I told myself. Now from here, I open my arms. My neck and shoulders are relaxed. I can feel the widening in the chest. From here, move to the sides. Keep the hands either on the knee. It depends what your flexibility is. Over here, over here, over here. But keep opening the chest. Feel the stretch on the lateral side. And lift your arms up. And just lengthen it out. Lengthen it out. Open the chest. Maintain it. Feel it. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now as you breathe in, come back slowly. Take the arms in line. Hands on the hip. And come back. So friends, I did it on my right hand side. Don't forget to do it on your left hand side. So friends, this was your Parighasana, or also known as a gate pose. Enjoy the pose. Friends, in case you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe. If you have any suggestions or comments, please mention in the comment section below. Namaste.